Nĩ mwena wa gicua-ini kiungano-ini kiria Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano mihaka Wafula Chebukati oire mweke ucio na gutetera kamiti ya IEBC iguru ria maumirira ma githurano gia gucokeruo kuria augite itua ria igoti nirirekirite uira ati maumirira macio marari na waragania.
The commission, we believe we did 2 elections in 3 months, which is I believe a commendable effort as an EMB. I don't think any other EMB in Africa or the world has done that. And I also believe that the Supreme Court, by its determination, has confirmed that the election carried out on 26th of October was properly done within the law, within the Constitution and the law. And therefore, as a commission, we want to keep our eye on the ball. We want to focus on strengthening the institution, so that come the next election, IEBC will be better placed to manage the elections.
Wafula Chebukati ateteire kamiti ino kumana na miario ria murugamiriri munene wa kamiti itari ya githirikari ya gutetera ihoto cia mundu KHRC George Kiguru aririe kumenereria kamiti ino akiuga ibatie kuyeheria.
The IEBC commissioners, like next week, not later than that, need to sort of only a short period of time. We want to give other people an opportunity to serve and to figure out how to improve elections in this country. And the way to run elections in this country is inconsistent with our continuing to be in office.
The unprecedented decision of the Supreme Court nullifying the presidential elections of August 8, 2017 was quite unprecedented both in Kenya and in Africa, in fact, in the world. So this particular decision has been very, very hotly contested. It still serves as a hallmark to the right to political participation and credible processes.
No na kuri uguo, Minister wa utabrukia wa mahinya Mwangi niamenereirie miario ino na kunyita Chebukati mbaru akiuga kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni arutire wira wayo kuringana na gatiba ya bururi.
Those who are calling for changes in the country, we embrace you. But remember, the Constitution, Article 251(1) is very clear. And especially for those who are calling upon the resignation of IEBC, we have independent and constitutional offices. They are called constitutional offices because they are provided for in the Constitution. And there is nothing provided for in law and the Constitution that do not have an answer. So we know if you want to remove a constitutional office, how do you remove those people in that office?
Kiujori augitiri nirio ihinda riria Kenya mabatie gwithema na ngucanio cia kiuteti na gwiciria uria bururi uguthie na mbere thutha wa githurano gutirihuo. Kiribotera Kameme TV, mutamburuko wa mohoro ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.